So guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can combine the VWAP Bands deviation plus the volume profile to get accurate trade entries. So right here we are on the NQ futures and you can see I have here the VWAP Bands and volume profile split at overnight session and regular trading hours. So if you want the settings for volume profile, I already made a video about it, so you should find this on my channel. So let's actually go now here on the 1 minute time frame that you can see this a little bit better right here, and we put away the New York session volume profile. So you can view this as the same as volume profile. If the market pushes outside value, we look for higher value, right? You can see this, we push outside and we're searching for higher value right here. Now vice versa right here, if the market pushes to the downward side, right, we're looking for lower value. If the market stays underneath value area low, we are looking for lower value. Now you probably see this right away right here. We push outside of value, we came back to retest value area high and we push to the upward side. Now I'm saying value area high because you can view this as the same as volume profile, okay? But that's the upper band deviation from the VWAP right here. Now as soon as we stay above value, you look for higher value. So you only should look, in this case, you only should look for long positions, and you can clearly see that the market just pushing to the upward side, pushing to the upward side. Now look at this, a big correction to the downward side, testing right here the upper band, we get a rejection, we push to the upward side. You can see this right here, test, 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 but we don't make any higher highs right here. So what the market is doing right here now, we consolidate and then we break back into balance. And what's the first target right here? The VWAP. Now in this case, if you missed this move to the downward side to VWAP, you can definitely look now out for a long play of the VWAP bounce. So that's right here, the VWAP bounce is a trading setup that I'm using nearly daily, alright? So if the market comes to VWAP and I can see buyers absorption or sellers absorption or aggressive buying right here, then I'm definitely looking out for a long play. Now in this case, we need to see sellers absorption right here and then we push to the upward side, right? So if I can see sellers absorption, then I'm definitely looking out for a VWAP bounce to the upward side. So now that's the overall view how I'm looking at VWAP Bands deviation. And now when you combine this with either a fixed volume profile or your New York session profile right here, then you have such a powerful tool that you can dominate the futures market. Now let's see this right here. Now, of course, guys, it's all hindsight. You don't need to put this on my comment section. I know it's all hindsight, but how the fuck should I show you how I trade? I need to do this in hindsight, right? So I will probably do some live streams in the future, but for now you need to watch this in hindsight. So right here, let's put out the fixed volume profile range. We go from the low to the high right here. Now guys, I'm always taking fixed volume profile only if we are trending. Right, so I'm only doing this if we are trending. If we're just ranging around, then I put my New York session on and then I look out for value area high and value area low. Okay, so but for here, we can clearly see we push aggressive to the upward side. When I see this, the push outside of value from the VWAP bands, I go from the low to the high and then I watch price. If it ranges here a little bit, then I drag my volume profile till here, okay? And now what we can see is the breakout. Now in this case, if we see buying, aggressive buying above value area high, then I'm definitely looking out here for a long play. Actually, I go here in on my order flow platform right here. Now guys, I'm using Ethers for my order flow platform, but right here we have trader rate. I'm using for this video trader rate because I know out there are many guys that want these bubbles right here, so trader rate has it as well. So right here we are on trader rate. So let's go here back, and this is the exact breakout right here. You can see this right here is a consolidation and re-breakout. What we are getting right away is here buying aggression. Look at the delta down here. We are pushing, we are pushing to the upward side. If this shows you here the breakout is accepted from the buyers, then that's a no-brainer to look out for your buy position. And then you are just looking for higher value. Right, so that's so important that you watch for order flow as well when you trade volume profile, because what could be happening right here is as well is that we push outside and we then get the failed breakout and we push back into the range. The bubbles right here, you can minimize this risk, right, because you can see the buyer's aggression right here. So this to the order flow chart right here. So let's jump here back. Now this is your breakout, right? Clean breakout. Now the market is just going up, going up, going up, going up, right? So in this case, if you're out of a trade right here because you're targeted 1-to-1 or 1-to-2, you're probably out right here and the market just going to the up. Now what we can do next is, as well guys, put out the fixed volume profile, go from the low to all the way up to here to the high. What we can see right here is these spikes of volume acting great as support and resistance. If you see this right here, and I don't mean this volume right here, okay? I don't want this volume. I want I want a really good spike like this. You can see this low volume, then a spike, and then low volume. So this is a zone for me to watch out. And when I extend it to the right hand side, you can see where the market is pushing. We are pushing down to VWAP band high and my zone right here. Now let's go back to my order flow platform and let's search for this exact moment. So right here, you can see this is the exact moment. We are pushing down, sellers are trying to push the market lower. Here again, to the tick low right here, sellers are trying to get lower prices, but immediately you can see buyers, buyers, buyers and buyers. As soon as this green candle closes or this green candle closes above all these sellers right here, you are good to go with your long position because the sellers getting absorbed and the move is supported by buyers. So another good play to the upward side. And what I mean by absorption, guys, it's clear. When you have the bubbles on, you can clearly see absorption. You can see this right here as well. We're pushing up and on the top, a bunch of buyers trying to buy higher prices, but failed. Immediately sellers stepping in and close underneath all these buyers right here. That's absorption. So let's go here back. Now, in this case, when I watch out for my VWAP bounce, let's go to the 5-minute chart. So guys, and I already explained why I'm using the overnight session. I'm using the overnight session to see where is value printing, and we can definitely see that we are outside of value from the overnight session. So in this case, you definitely should look out for buying opportunities. On the 5-minute chart, what's your low and what's your high? You can see this right here. This is my low and this is my high right here. Now when I zoom here a little bit in, you can actually see that this down here are single prints. It's a little bit hard to see, but if there's actually no volume, it's a single print and we mark single prints out. Right, that's an interesting spot for me, and you can see where is the market is moving into my single prints area. And what is in my single prints area right here? It's the VWAP right in here. So 2 confluences for me here. So in this case, I'm definitely looking out for a long position. As soon as we stepping into this zone and as soon as we tap VWAP, I want seller's absorption or aggressive buying. So let's go to the trade chart right here and let's search for this moment right here. So this is this exact moment. And now guys, look at how clean this is. We as well getting a divergence from the CBD. Can see this down here, we make here a lower low, we sweep this low, but the CBD is making higher highs and higher highs right here. Can see this right here. And what we have, we are pushing down into this zone. So let's just mark this out that you can identify this. So this was my zone. Actually, it was a little bit higher right here. So we are coming into this zone. We can see sellers are stepping in right here. But the market is trying to push to the upward side. Now in this case, if I'm seeing down here that these sellers are failing on this exact level and the market pushes to the upward side, this for me is my trigger, right? This right here. Now the market just comes down again, we sweep this low down here, and then again sellers are trying to push the market lower, failed immediately, big green candle to the upward side. And this should be your trigger candle. Now you can see how I'm finding my trades and how you can get accurate entries with the VWAP Bands deviation right here. Now guys, you only could trade VWAP Bands deviation. Okay, let's go here a little bit back and let's just watch out for a choppy day. Now in a choppy day where the market, I mean, that's not as a choppy day because you can clearly see we're making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, range. This is your range. We break out of the range, making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? So this is actually a great structure right here for price action traders. But how you can trade now the fades of the value areas, now of the VWAP Bands deviation right here. As soon as the market is ranging in between these two levels, you can look out for buying absorption of the breakout from the bands or selling absorption. If you see aggressive selling absorption down here, then you should definitely look out for your long play back to VWAP. Now again guys, you can see this, if you push outside and you get buying absorption on your order flow, then you should definitely look out for the push back in, and your first target will be VWAP. Now in this case the market don't reach VWAP, but trading is not perfect. You get on every system on this planet, you get losing days guys. But some guys out there are searching and searching for their holy grail strategy. That's not happening guys. It don't exist. You have a strategy, you have your strict rules, you have your risk management, you follow the plan, and when you don't follow the plan, you are not a successful trader. The strategy is not your problem, you are the problem. As a human, your emotions are the problem. So that's the whole thing from the VWAP Bands right here. If you want to see more VWAP Bands strategies or VWAP Bands entry criterias, then leave a comment down below guys, hit the like button, and I will put my effort in to make another video like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope you found it helpful for you. If you have any question, comment down below and I will reply as soon as I can. So I hope you stay safe out there guys. Peace.